नाज़रीन आपको बताएं, वफाकी वजीर मनसूबाबंदी अहसन इकबाल इस्लामाबाद में तकरीब से खिताब करने हैं। आइए आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं।
Crashed. Pakistan had severe power shortages. Every other day a suicide bomber will blow in some part of the country. In that security environment, even Pakistan's own investors were shying away from investing in Pakistan. Pakistan, seeing that desperate energy crisis, had announced an energy policy, begging international investors, giving them very attractive terms that please come and set up energy projects, power generation projects, so that we can get out of darkness. No one would venture to invest in Pakistan, as I said. What to speak of foreign investors? Our own big Seths, billionaires, were also shying away of investing in Pakistan. It was in this backdrop that when we came in government in July 2013, Chinese leadership extended invitation to Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif to visit China. And on 5th of July 2013, during his visit, we signed a document, MOU, on CPAC, that both China and Pakistan will start work on a new partnership that will bring economic dimension to their relationship. So, in August 2013, when we held first JCC meeting, I was preparing my notes for the opening remarks, and I was myself astonished to find that China figured somewhere 13th in terms of foreign direct investment in Pakistan. Now, this was a time when China and Chinese companies were investing billions of dollars overseas, but we never saw the economic dimension of this relationship as an opportunity for Pakistan. And we were very well, contained or satisfied to restrict this relationship to the domain of diplomatic relationship and maybe some security cooperation.
नाज़रीन आपको बताएं, वफाकी वजीर मनसूबाबंदी अहसन इकबाल इस्लामाबाद में तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे।